Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to solve a very amazing questions which is related to the exponents. By the end of this video, you will be able how to solve this particular question, as well as you will learn some properties, some rules of the exponents. Please watch this video till the end. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here I have taken a question. It is related with the topic exponents. Here the question is x raised to the power of x power 4. Here x, variable x, is raised to the power of x power 4, and this is equals to here 64. First of all, let's try to change this number 64 on the power of the 4. It is possible or not? Let's try. Let's factorize this number 64 first. This is the factorization. Let's do the factorizations for the number 64. We can change it into the power of 4 or not. Let's try. Here I am going to factorize it. This is divisible by 2. Then after 16, 16 also divisible by 2. 8, 8 also divisible by 2. 4, 4 also divisible by 2. So the number 64, let's write here. Number 64 can be written in the power of the 2. Here how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 2 raised to the power 6 for the number 64. Here we just factorize the number 64. Can we change this number 64 in the power of 4? Here the number 6 is not divisible by 4, so we cannot change this number 64 in the power of 4 directly, in the power of the 4 directly. So let's do the some modification here. Let's make the base and the power as the same. So let's take the power of 4 on the both side. Let's place the power of the 4 on the both side of these equations. Putting power of 4 on this, on the both side of this equation, then our equations becomes x raised to the power x power of 4. If we put here the power of 4 on this left side, then we have to put the same power on the right hand side. Here in this step we just put the power 4 on the both side. Here we can put the same power on the both side of these equations. Here we just put the number power 4 on the both side of these exponential equations. And the benefits is, here we let me write the some properties of the exponents. If a number a raised to the power some number m, and it is again raised to the power another number n, it is the property of power to the power. It is the property of the exponents. It is called as the power to the power. If a number a is raised to the power m and again raised to the power of n, then it is same as a raised to the power m times n. Please remember this very important property of the exponents. It is the power to power law. Power to power. Then the power will be the product of the powers, m times n mn. This is the power to power property of the exponents. Here is the same case. We can write this expression as the x. Here is the one power for this base x. Here for this base x, one power is x raised to the power of x. Sorry. Here for this base x, one power is x to the power 4. This is the one power, and the next power is here this outside power 4. These two so-called numbers are the two powers for this variable x. Here are the two powers. One power is this x raised to the power 4, and the another power is 4. So we can apply the power to power property of the exponents. The power will be multiplied. So the power of the total combined power of this variable x will be, yeah, the one power is 4 times this another power is x raised to the power 4. We can multiply the both the powers together by this formula, and this is here equals to 64 raised to the power of 4. Here we just uh, use the concept of power to power law on the exponents. The powers can be multiplied together to form a single power, or this can be further written as x raised to the power 4, and it is again raised to the power x raised to the power 4. It is again raised to the power x raised to the power 4. Here we just make the arrangement. Here are the two powers. We combine this number 1 as a x raised to the power 4 and then give it as the same power x raised. Here the base and the powers are same, and the number 64, can be factorized into the 2 raised to the power 6 for 64, and it also can be written as the number 64 can be written as in terms of 4 raised to the power 3, and it is also same as 8 to the power 2. Here we just write the exponents for the 64. One exponent is 2 raised to the power 6, another one is 4 raised to the power 3, and the next one is 8 raised to the power 2. These are the possible equivalent value of the 64 in the power form. So let's make the power, the base. Here the base in the left hand side, the base is here x raised to the power 4, and the power of this base x raised to the power 4, both base and the power are same. So making on the right hand side the same case, making here on the right hand side, let's make the base and the power same. So let's take the values here. If we plug in 2 raised to the power 6 in the value of the 64 in place of 64, then 2 the base and the power will not be same. If we plug in place of 64 2 raised to the power 6, then the base and the power will not be same. And then let's try the another exponents here. If we plug in the 4 raised to the power 3 in place of 64, then the base and the power will not be again same. I am going to make the base and the power same. If we plug in the number 8 square in place of 64, then the power 4 times 2 gives 8. The base and the power will be same, and this number 64 can be written as 8 raised to the power square, 8 square, and it is raised to the power 4. This is the possible value to make the base and the power same. Let's simplify it. X raised to the power 4, it is raised to the power x raised to the power 4 is equals to, and this can be written as s raised to the power 2 times 4 gives 8. We can multiply the powers. 2 times 4 gives 8. Here the base and the power are the same. Here also the same case, base and the power are same. So we can equate the corresponding values. So this implies we can equate the x raised to the power 4. Here is the same place of x raised to the power 4 is here just 8. So we can easily solve for x. Then now simplifying these equations, the value of the x is 8 raised to the power 1 over 4. Here we just use, if a raised to the power m is some number b, then this will implies the value of the a is the b to the power of reciprocal of this power. Reciprocal of m will be 1 over m. Here we just apply this formula, and this is equivalent to the number 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3, and it is 1 over 4. Therefore we will finally obtain here the value of the x is the 2 raised to the power 3 over 4. We finally calculate the value of the x is the 2 raised to the power 3 over 4. This is the final solutions for these equations. Here we just put the power of 4 on the both side. In this step we put the power of 4 on the both side of these equations, and in this step we just multiply the powers. We can multiply the powers if the power to the power is given of the number. Here we just multiply the powers, and then here we make the base and the power same. Here we make the base and the power same, because here in the left hand side the base and the power of a number is same, so we make the same case on the right hand side also. And then here in this step we finally equate the corresponding value, and then finally we can solve the value for the x. This is the whole process for solving these particular questions without using the concept of the logarithm. Here we just use the basic concept of the exponents to solve these particular questions. Thank you for watching. Please keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.